Everyone, our project is about the soporific detection system in the jignasa student study project. Our main motto of the project is to detect the driver is in the drowsy condition or not. If he is in the drowsy, to prevent the accidents, the system is introduced. Soporific habit is a state of drowsiness that occurs to the person. In this process, one level of the awareness is decreased because of the absence of the rest of the awareness of the driver. There are the many non-driver related reasons for the auto crashes, including the street conditions, climate conditions, and also the execution of an animal. In this case, the countless mishaps are caused by the driver's blunder. The lessening of the components in the long run, the decrease of the driver's carefulness level. The statement of the problem's existing system. In this existing system, there are the three main problems. The intensity of light passes through the eye, and the drivers having the spectacles, and the posture of the driver. The driver conditions of the road accidents leads to the threatening of the life. So, according to the National Crime Records, the Bureau, the chart of the road accidents occurs from the years to years. They are gradually increasing. Aims and objectives. The objectives of the system is to detect the drivers of the car is drowsy or not and continuously monitoring the driver. There are various techniques. There are psychological characteristics of the drivers and the driver's pattern of the vehicle and the computer vision and the steering pattern of the monitor. The review of the literature, the non-adherence of the long driving and the changing posture of the driver. If the driver is in the sleepy condition, then the alarm will alert to his phone by defaultly. By next part will be continued by student. Next, we are going to talk about research method. In this, we are going to talk about face detection system using bioagents. Bioagents algorithm is nothing but an object learning machine technique which was proposed in 2001. In this, we have three types of features like eyes detection system, mouth detection system, and scene segmentation. In the face detection system, we have some types of features like edge feature, line feature, and 4 rectangular feature. And next, we are going to talk about eyes and mouth system. In this, the camera captures the person's eyes and mouth through the pixels. Next, we are going to talk about scene segmentation. The camera captures while the person is in sleepy mood or drowsiness. Next to be continued by module. There are three major roles in the module: initialization of the system, detection through a soporific effect, and decision. Initialization of the system, the driver begins the involved to here he arranging the camera and checks the head positions in front of or not. The driver plays the main role. The detection through a soporific effect, the main components of the system in which we are performing all activities from the detection purpose. It captures the face images, converting into binarization. Next will be decision. There are three main types of the decision: eyes, head, mouth positions. The number of black pixels decreased to consider then the reference images, and 20 frames equals to 1 per minute. Then we continue to diction.
UML diagram. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. There are three types of UML diagram. Sequence use case diagram, sequence diagram, activity diagram. In use case diagrams, there are three uses: driver, camera to the monitor, non-intrusive system. Next, in sequence diagram, first the driver initializes the camera. Next, camera detects the face, sends the picture to the system. System compare the image with the database and sends an alert. Next, activity diagram. There are about 6 activities. First, new diagram, new image, binarization, face stop, and eye detection, eye status determination, drowsiness detection, alarm. If fatigue is greater than threshold, then an alarm is initiated. Else the process repeat with next sequence of video frames. Next to be continued by Maria.
Analysis of data. In analysis of data, we are having functional requirements. Functional requirements are consist of two modules: user module and system module. In user module, it is to initialize the system and to be ensure that it should be in correct position. So that the video will be record starts. And then system module. In system module, system must be keep on analyzing the user face and generate the warning whenever necessary. Then the next is performance requirement. In the performance requirement, the system must be able to interface with the user and the system, and it should be accurate and it should be superior to the correct position. And then hardware requirement. In this hardware requirement, a dedicated system is there, which is with of 1 GB RAM with i5 processor. And then we have having software requirements. In this software requirement, we are using MATLAB software for image processing. And then system requirement. In this system requirement, image processing is done by using module. Here we are taking a toolbox named image processing toolbox. In that, various operations like enhancement, segmentation, reducing the noise from an image, etc. can be performed. And the next will be continued by Pranita.
Findings: face detection. The primary function of the system is to detect the face of the driver.
binarization and segmentation too. The extracted parts will be binarized to remove any noise present in the pixel. Segmentation. Segmentation is a process in which the image can be segmented. Conclusion. By this detection, conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. By this detection mechanism, we can prevent road accidents. The biggest problem is the driving activity is at ease. Suggestions. Through the sporific detection system, we can say that when the driver feels drowsy or when he is sleepy, he will be getting an alarm to stop his driving and continue his driving.
Thank you for
giving this opportunity.